Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I thought I would switch it up a bit and bring you into a different part of mi casita. I have for you guys a Temu haul, but this time we ordered some kitchen gadgets, some items. So we're going to open this bag up together and we're going to test out these products to see if they are worth it for your kitchen. I am a mom, I cook, I clean, and I like trying new stuff, and Temu is the place to be shopping at right now, okay? So let me grab a knife and let's open this up. If you enjoy this type of content, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's Temu kitchen gadgets haul. Will these work? That is a real question. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I'm wearing a little lavalier mic and we're gonna open this up. So I think I ordered some stuff besides like kitchen items, but we're just gonna open it. So first things first is I ordered this thing. So this is supposed to be for the dryer, and I will be inserting clips of me actually trying out this stuff. So I am gonna go try this because I can't get my dryer to be fully clean from like the lint. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? So that part of the dryer always gets stuck with lint. So this one is supposed to reach in all the way and scoop everything out. So let's go into my laundry room and test this out.
Flash sale, only $1.88 for this brush, which is originally $8.99. Make sure you check it out and follow the link in the description box.
Okay, so this is the situation. This is obviously a little dirty, don't mind me. It was a laundry day today. So we're gonna use this. This is a handle and this is what you're supposed to use to scoop it in. So camera girl, if you can please zoom in here and so we can show them. So we're gonna take this. Oh, nice. So as you can see, it definitely worked. There's tons of lint in here. I need to like sit and actually take my time to do this because there's so much lint in here. And this was such a good deal. 10 out of 10, I do recommend something like this, especially if you can't get the lint out of your dryer thing. Totally works, as you can see, so yay. So the next thing I ordered are some chip clips. We love chips and we have tons of chips right now, so it's a perfect time to see if these really work. And just by feeling them, I can already tell you that these are really good quality. They're really thick and they have a really good grip to them. So I'm just going to show you guys because we have a few different bags of chips open, such as Lay's. I'm going to grab my little chip clip. And just like that, we have our chips nice and sealed, and now they can last us a little bit longer. I have a bag of Doritos. This one is almost out, so let's go this one. Okay, they are a little hard to open because they have such a strong grip, but that's not a bad thing. So there you have it. These totally work and they are so affordable. Definitely check them out. Next item is an ice mold tray. I got this because my 9-year-old loves ice. She's always doing things with ice, creating things, slushies. So I got this for her. So what it looks like, it's literally just a little mold. And these are supposed to be little bubbles. The awesome thing about this is that you can make coffee with these. You can make green tea. Really, your imagination is up to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill this up with water and we're going to put it in the freezer. And then I will insert either a clip or a picture letting you guys know if it works. But I don't see this going wrong unless I do it wrong, but other than that, let's grab some water and let's fill her up. Okay, so I just grabbed a water bottle and you guys probably can't see this, but Oh, I might have put a little too much. Well, I guess we'll see how these come out. And then you just put this on the top. Did I do it right? I mean, it makes sense that this goes on the top because these have little holes. If I put water, the water is just going to come out of the little holes. So we're going to put this in the freezer, and we will check back in a few days, not in a few days, in a few hours, if not tomorrow. Up next are air frying sheets. Listen, I have a 2-year-old, and he is extremely picky. And all he wants to eat are either chicken nuggets, tater tots, or anything that involves like easy, quick dinner. So I use my air fryer pretty much on a daily basis. And when I saw these, I knew I needed them because sometimes mama is too lazy and I don't want to clean my air fryer, and these are going to come in super handy. So this is what they look like. Mine is a squared one as well. So I think these are going to fit perfectly. They're really nice though, just to kind of keep it clean and not have to clean your air fryer as much. So we're going to put one in. So here's the sheet. And as you can see, the air fryer is dirty because I just used it. And it fits perfectly for me. So that is definitely a win. The shape is perfect and it fits just nicely. So love it. Up next is a little storage rack. This, I got it because I'm not the very best organizer. And so when I saw this, I was like, I need this in my life. So what it is, it's a little silver lining thing. So what you do with this is you can use it for the, what's it called? The lids of your pots. And I have them all over the place. Or you can also use them to store your plates. I'm going to insert a picture of like a little before and after of how I stored my pot lids because that's what I'm going to use it for. This just came in super handy. I did only get one. I should have gotten more than one because I have a lot more pots, but we're going to try it. We're trying to make this work, but I don't know if I don't know how to work it or it just is a malfunction. But I wanted to try this. It's called a cooking machine, but what it is, it's a mini little blender. And I thought this would be really cool to kind of take. Okay, well, it works. The only problem is that when you open it, see this little thing, which is the blade, doesn't stay in here. So it has like little springs in the center. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has a little spring, and this is what kind of keeps it in place. When I put it in here, it like bounces back, so it's almost impossible for it to stay in place. And then if I put this in here, it doesn't work for some reason. So I don't know if I'm just not understanding how this works, but the product works. It's just, as you can see, it stays in here now that it's closed. But how would it work if you're trying to use products, you know? So this is a button on the bottom. And it's perfect if you're on the go. And it also comes with a charger. So I will let you guys know if I end up getting it to work for me. But for now, it's a no for me. Up next is this little herb saver. So it says prolong the life of your fresh herbs for up to 3 weeks. I really wanted to try this because I constantly have cilantro in my home. And it usually goes bad within like a few days. So I was like, you know what? Let's try it out and see if it really works. So I currently have some cilantro here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's still pretty fresh. None of the leaves are like brown or like nasty or anything like that. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to open this up like this. You take whatever herbs you want to use. And I'm just going to put my cilantro in here. And then, oh my gosh, I love cilantro and the smell of it. And we're going to close her up. There we go. So you close it, and then you're supposed to add water in here. I don't know how much. It doesn't really say, so I'm just going to add, I don't know. Doesn't really say how much water to add, honestly. But I'm going to add a little bit, and you're supposed to drain out the water every 3 to 5 days to prolong the life of your herbs. I thought it was kind of cute too, and then you can kind of see like what herbs you have, so it's perfect for prolonging the life of them. So again, I will keep you guys updated if this works or not, but so far this one is a yes for me. We have a bummer, you guys. So I ordered a glass cup, and I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it came broken. I am so sad. So I'm not even going to open it because glass is going to get everywhere, and we always walk around barefooted in our home. So I'm not even going to try that, but yep, broken glass, sad day. Up next are these reusable, what are these called? I forgot what these are called. I will be inserting prices and maybe some pictures for reference, but these are supposed to be like, oh my gosh, what is the word? Like, it's supposed to be an all size fit one type of thing. So whenever you have leftovers, if you don't have any Tupperware and you just want to cover your food, you're supposed to take one of these, and it's supposed to kind of like stretch over your plate. So we're going to try it out on different ones. So this one right here is the biggest size that I got. I got different ones, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little silicone things. And it's supposed to, again, just go over your food. So let's say there's leftover food in this plate. I'm going to come over here. So this is the largest one, and I'm just going to grab my plate, like that, and stretch it. Oh my gosh, this actually works. This is so cool, you guys. Look at that. Look at this, you guys. It works perfectly. So the biggest one will fit like bigger sizes. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm really impressed. I'm going to take this little smaller plate. As you can see, this is a bigger plate, and then this is going to be a little bit smaller. So let's take something like maybe like this size and see if it'll fit. And it stretches really nice. So this is really cool. And it has little grip handles here, but I have long nails, so it's kind of hard to do it anyways. But you're supposed to just use it and stretch it out. Bam. There you go. This is so cool. I'm actually really excited for this because I'm really bad at putting leftovers in my fridge. So now I can be lazy and still cover my leftovers. There you go. Up next is a little garlic keeper. That's just what I'm going to call it, or a garlic storage. And it's so cute because it's actually shaped like a little garlic. So if you use a lot of garlic like I do, you can store multiple little pieces of garlic here, garlic heads, and it's a pretty big size. You can either keep it outside in your pantry or in your fridge. I typically keep my garlic in my fridge just because it tends to go bad really quickly. So yeah, I thought this was cute and very practical. I got these cute little coasters. These are perfect for when you're cooking. And for example, I have a very nice countertop that I don't want it to stain when my pots are hot. So let's say that you just made some hot soup and you want to move it onto your counter. So you just put one of these down. You just put it there, and then you would put your pan or pots on top, and it would keep your counters nice and safe. So I thought these were just kind of like handy, and they're cute too. So again, perfect and practical. Up next is this cool little gadget. So this is actually to make meatballs. I usually make caldo de albóndigas, which is meatball soup. It sounds nasty, but it's really good. If you're Mexican, you know what I'm talking about. And this is supposed to scoop up not only the perfect size, but the perfect shape for your albóndigas. I don't have any food to make right now, any albóndigas, but I know this is going to work. And this is really, really cool. And it'll also keep your hands clean. So it's a win-win. Here we have a little storage basket or a laundry basket. I think I got it for laundry purposes, but honestly, now that I see it, it's a little bit small. So I might not use it for laundry, but I will use it for other things, like maybe putting in our water bottles in here because they're sitting on the floor most of the time. So just wanted to show you guys that really quick. And then I also got this. I forgot what this is, but the camera girl is saying that this is supposed to be like a frother to froth either milk or when you're making atole or things like that. So you just take it and you froth or you mix items. So I thought this was pretty cool, and yeah, we'll see if it works. Up next is this little plastic stainless steel glass bottle. Plastic glass, I don't know, it says plastic glass, but it's definitely made out of glass. So you're supposed to put in your oil in here, and it comes in with a little, what is this called? A cylinder? No, a funnel. It comes with a little funnel so you can put in your oil. So we're going to put in a little bit of oil because this is a spray, which is perfect if you use the air fryer like I do. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit of oil. We're going to put it in, and then we're going to try it out. Oh. So I only added a little bit because, again, I'm not planning to really use this. So let's try it out. I have a little towel here, and I made a mess. And I'm going to... Okay, so it works. It's a little aggressive, the spray, but it works and it fulfills its purpose. So love that. And then I ended up ordering coffee syrup pumps, but I only got the pumps and not the actual bottles. So don't know what I'm going to do with that. So the last thing I got is this little scooper thing. According to my camera girl, she claims that it's dual-sided. So on one side, you have no holes, and on this side, you have holes. So if you want only the soup, then you're supposed to dump it out this way. You get only the soup. And if you want the veggies or whatever you're scooping out, you scoop it out this way. Totally makes sense. She might be onto something. So that is the last item that I have as far as kitchen gadgets. What do you guys think? I think most of these were a hit. Obviously, I got some fails, but it's no biggie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know your opinions and your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you guys want to see another video like this where we test out like kitchen gadgets or anything besides makeup and fashion, this was so much fun. So thank you for being here. I love you all. Stay safe. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.